Alright, now first things first, we need to get Badger onto the other side of the canal. Now with no engine, we're just going to have to give it one big push and hope we get it right first time. So here goes nothing. Been in here, living in here for the last few days. What we've been doing is degreasing, lots of degreaser. As you can see, a lot of it was donated by Elliot and Kevin, and I had to purchase some more because you saw how oily this was. It took 4 goes to get it to this condition, and we've been scraping off all the little bits of rust, and I've been scraping off all the paint. So today I'm going to continue to scrape off loose paint, sweep all that up. I think one more brush down with the wire brush, another degreasing, and then we'll rust conversion this afternoon, and then tomorrow I'm ready for painting. And it doesn't have to be the Sistine Chapel, as long as I get primarily here. Where I am right now is where the engine will be, and I won't get an opportunity to do this probably again. So let's get this area done, and then the surrounding areas is my priority tomorrow, so that we can get the engine in, because I won't be able to access those areas. And then when they're installing the engine, it's going to get dirty again, so let them install the engine, then come back in, clean up, and then finish the paint job in the areas where it's a little easier to get to. Yeah, that's the plan. We shall see how we go on. Lovely down here. So rain stopped play, but I did get the painting finished, so about where I need to be for them to install the engine in a few days time, after the weekend hopefully. I'm going to show you my lovely shiny green piece of metal because it's arrived. So let's have a look at the engine. Now it's hard to describe how excited I am about having a nice new shiny green piece of metal, but I am very excited about having a nice new green shiny piece of metal, because it's going to put Badger back in action again, and then we can start moving again. Because at the moment, not being able to sort of have that freedom of movement takes away almost everything that's really cool about living on a boat. It's the freedom of movement that you have all around the network. So what we're going to have to do now, because I haven't got any engine to move, I'm going to push back over to the other side, because Camille and Kevin have been shopping, and I think a bit of a barbecue and some beers are in order. thanks for watching this far. Thanks to all the people who leave messages as well from all over the world. I love that. It's just nice to see that people in various parts of the globe are watching our little adventure, if you will, on the Canal Network. And thanks to Bill in Ohio. Cheers, Bill, for the beers. Much appreciate you using the link there. That plum porter was bought by you, and it was delicious, and after a day painting it was really delicious, so thanks for that. Next week, if the engine's installed, we'll be back in motion again, and that's kind of what I'm aiming for, so hopefully I'll see you next week.